Okay. It's been a while since I've made a video because pure laziness, I guess. Just been too busy and not many well, there's things to record and there's plenty to record, but I guess just too lazy, or I don't know. But today's Sunday. As you guys can see, driving the 7930. Just got done washing her. She was really, really dirty. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I'll post a picture before and after, sort of. So yeah, we haven't washed her all year. Winter season, I guess. First time since the last, I have to say about March, last March. So it's been about a year since this thing's got washed, since I washed the last. So yeah, it's nothing much. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see we hauled all the separator manure and everything. There hasn't it's been a lot to do, but I can't find the time to set up the camera, and you know, just too busy, I guess. You guys can see the lagoon's really, really full of shit. Wheat's growing pretty good. Just gonna go take this old girl to park, take her back. So another thing I wanted to say, if there's anything in particular you guys want to see, just comment. That way I know, because I'm really out of ideas. I mean, I do know sort of what to do, but I don't know what to record. Kind of hard. So yeah, this is the winter manure pile. All this is just wet shit. Once we take out the straw from the pens from winter, it'll all be placed in the right there, and then we'll mix her up and it'll be sold coming, say, May or April. I think April. So yeah, not much going on. And I was washing this thing when it was raining, sprinkling, I guess, so that wasn't fun. But I got her washed, looking good. This is a feed lane. This is the heifer side. Just kind of see that. Oh, I gotta change the light bulb on this thing too. I just remembered right now. The left, right light bulb is missing. Just trying to avoid the water. Sorry, this thing is just way too hard to wash. Not hard, but really time consuming. It took me about an hour. From 9 to like 10:30. When I wash everything else, it usually takes about 30 minutes or 40. So yeah, this thing's kind of a little bit trickier to wash. Since it has more electronics also, I don't really want to mess too much with all that. I'm trying to keep things dry under the cab. Blew it off before, that way things don't get stuck or muddy. It's just better. So yeah, just no little drive. You guys can hear how the cab's kind of rattling a lot. It moves too much. The thing about that 7R, it's way more comfortable. Like the seat, itself, the command arm is much more bigger and comfortable. And then the cab doesn't shake as much as this one. This one you hit about 10 to 15 miles an hour. The cab really shakes a lot. Once you go over that or under that, it's perfect. But yeah, I think it's because these tires, I don't know about these tires, but I feel like they're overinflated or something. I don't know what it is. Or they're not radials, something like that. Something my boss told me, but yeah. Oh, and this thing doesn't have cab suspension. I think that 7R does. I'll have to look under to make sure, but yeah. These heifers think I'm feeding them. It's kind of funny. So yeah, it's gonna be a long video. Another thing is it's been raining way too damn much this year. I'm really getting tired of it. Just this time of year, everything would be kind of dry. We'd start prepping for like manure hauling, like spreading or whatever. We'd be cleaning the straw out. Things would be nicer, but Mother Nature decided to leave us in a drought for about 4 years, and then all of a sudden piss on us like crazy. I mean, I ain't complaining. I like the wool. I'm complaining, but I'm not, because at the same time we do need the rain. But the main thing for me is the snow. Honestly, as long as we get snow and rain in the mountains, I really don't care about down here, because everything gets poured down from up there. So the rain really, it helps here. That way, I mean, we don't ever get the wheat, but in a sense, it's kind of good that there's snow in the mountains. That way, during the summer, it gets wet. Like the canals are filled up. Oh, and that's the almond shower spreading right now for bedding. Probably can't see that, but yeah. Just gonna park this all grown in place, and that'll be it for today. We'll go home early today. Oh yeah, this girl has 13,000 hours on her. Just saying. Park your rider here under the shade, so the paint will look good and everything. So yeah, that'll be it for this video, guys. If you guys want to see anything in particular, just comment, and like I said, I'll figure out a way to put her in, find a way to record and everything. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, guys.